30 minutes of squatting every single day for 30 days will completely rebuild your lower body. Not training, not working out, just sitting in a relaxed resting squat like humans have done for thousands of years before chairs weakened us. Now, I've done this every single day for the last 6 years. And I went from ankles so tight I couldn't squat past parallel without my heels lifting to holding a flat-footed deep squat for 20 minutes while I work. And I did this within a month. My hips are open, my knees don't hurt, my spine is decompressed, and most importantly, I can move without limitations. And here's what you need to understand. You've lost this position because you sit in chairs 8 to 12 hours a day. Your ankles are locked, your hips are stiff, your knees ache, and you can't sit in a deep squat for 10 seconds without falling backwards. This has nothing to do with age or genetics. This is neglect. And if you don't fix it, you're going to keep breaking down until you need surgery to do basic human movements. So here is your challenge. 30 minutes of resting squat every single day for 30 days. And yes, people are going to think you're weird. Squatting in public places, waiting for the bus, squatting in your living room, squatting while you wait for your coffee. I don't care, and neither should you. Day 1, you're going to struggle. If you haven't squatted like this before, your body is going to resist you. Your ankles won't bend. Your knees will ache. Your lower back will complain at you. This is normal. Your body has forgotten how to do this. Here's how you survive day 1. Elevate your heels. Put a book under them. 2 to 3 inches is enough. This lets you sit back without your ankles holding you back. Hold on to something such as a pole, a TRX, or a door frame. Support lets you relax instead of fighting to stay upright. Your goal, 2 minutes total, not 2 minutes straight, 2 minutes accumulated throughout the entire day. Anyone can do this. Do 20 seconds 6 times throughout the day, or do 30 seconds 4 times. I don't care how you break it up. Just get 2 minutes total done. Write it down. You'll finish day 1 feeling accomplished, like you've cracked the code. But here's what you need to understand. Day 3 is where the biological reality kicks in. Your fascia is literally pushing back. You're sore from day 1 and day 2. Your knees hurt. Your lower back is tight. You think, maybe I should rest. Maybe I'll restart on Monday. You won't restart on Monday. You will quit. Therefore, you cannot treat this like a workout where you earn rest days. You have to treat it like a biological reset. Your tissues are adapting. Soreness is the signal that change is happening. Don't be that person who stops right when it's working. Days 2 through 7, your body is going to hate you. You're sore, you're uncomfortable, you're questioning if this is even safe for you. It is. Keep going. Build to 5 minutes total per day. By day 7, still use elevation. Still use support if you need it. Do this when you're watching TV. Do this when you are on your phone. Do this instead of sitting in a chair. Day 7 is where things change. Your ankles have more range. Your hips are opening. The position feels less foreign. If you were using support, you need it less. You start to understand that you didn't lose this because you got old. You lost this because you stopped doing it. Physical therapists will tell you deep squats are bad for your knees. They're wrong. Your knees were designed to bend fully. Your hips were designed to sink into deep ranges. Your ankles were meant to dorsiflex. What's bad for your knees is sitting in a chair for 40 years and then trying to squat under a barbell with no mobility. This is reclaiming what you were born with. You're more comfortable now. The position feels familiar. But here's the trap. You'll want to coast, do your 5 minutes, and call it done. Therefore, days 7 through 14 are about increasing volume. Build to 15 minutes per day. Track your time. Use a timer. Write it down. Squat when you brush your teeth. Squat when you're waiting for something. Squat instead of sitting on the couch. Squat between your sets in the gym. If you can't hit 15 minutes yet, then hit 10. Hit 12. But work towards 15 by day 14. By day 14, 15 minutes feels manageable. Your position is lower, your ankles are looser, the squat feels familiar. Now we go for the full goal. Here's what one of my students told me at day 14. I sat cross-legged on the floor with my daughter for the first time in 15 years. I didn't groan getting down. I didn't need to push myself up with my hands. That's what this unlocks. Not just a position. Freedom to move through life without limitations. Days 14 to 30, build to the full 30 minutes every single day. 30 minutes accumulated throughout your day. This is the target. Start reducing support. If you are using heel elevation, test going flat-footed for some sessions. By day 21, you should be squatting without assistance, flat feet, deep position, fully relaxed. Day 30, if you've been consistent, you've completely transformed your lower body. Your ankles are mobile. Your knees don't hurt anymore. Your hips are open. You can drop into a full squat cold. No warm-up needed. And you can sit there comfortably. And here's what most people don't realize. This isn't the end. This is only the foundation. When you can sit comfortably in a deep squat, you can do floor work. You can transition between movements. You can move along the ground freely. You can move the way you did as a child. You've unlocked your body. Let me be clear about something. This is not training. This is not exercise. This is not a workout. This is resting in a fundamental human position. This is reclaiming movement that you were born with. I give this challenge to every student who comes through my program. It is non-negotiable. It is like brushing your teeth. A simple habit, extraordinary results. Or don't do this. Keep sitting in chairs. Keep losing range in your hips. Keep compensating with your lower back. And in 10 years, when you can't get off the floor without help, when you can't play with your kids and grandkids, when you need knee surgery because your knees are worn out, remember this movement. You had the solution. You chose not to take it. 30 days, 30 minutes per day. Start with 2 minutes on day 1. Your body is not broken. You are not too old. You've just forgotten how to move. This will remind you. If you want the complete protocol for rebuilding your body, the daily movement routines, the mobility practices, the groundwork, join my Moves Method community. The link is below. If this video helps you, like it, subscribe, share it with someone who moves like you. Movement is your medicine. Take your dose daily. 30-day starts